How to buy PayPal gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll show you how you can buy PayPal gift card online. So if you like to buy PayPal gift card online, what you'll have to do is basically go to a new tab and then type in paypal.com/gifts or gift. You can type in whatever. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to this page where you can see a bunch of various popular gift cards provided by PayPal. So let's say you simply want to gift someone an Apple gift card, or let's just say a Domino's pizza gift card. Now what you'll have to do is basically tap on it, or if you want you can also search for a specific gift card. So for now I'll simply go with the Domino's pizza gift card. Now once you're on this page, simply scroll down and then choose the amount you'd like to gift. So let's say I'll simply give them maybe $50 of gift card. I'll type in 50 and then tap on the option apply. Now once you've done that, you'll have to select whether this is a gift or this is for you actually. So since this will be a gift, I'll simply type in their email address and then simply type in your name right over here. Now if you want, you can simply add a personal message and then you can simply select a send on date. So once you've done all of those, simply tap on the option add to cart, and then as you can see the cart has been updated. Simply tap on it, and then if you want to change anything else, you can simply change or remove this card. But if you're okay with all of those, tap on the option buy now, and then once you log into your account, you can basically buy a PayPal gift card online. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.